Meaning of fiscal year.
Fiscal year.
Fiscal year.
Fiscal year.
Fiscal year. A fiscal year is a 12-month financial period used by companies, governments, and other organizations for accounting and budgeting purposes. It can start on any day of the year, but it must end on the same day each year. Generally, fiscal years are used to align with natural business cycles and to simplify financial record-keeping. The fiscal year is often different from the calendar year, which runs from January 1st to December 31st. By using a fiscal year, organizations can track their finances more accurately and make informed decisions based on their financial performance.